All right, everybody, give it about 30 seconds here and we will get started. All right, just testing. Can you hear me out there? All right, perfect. We've got 7 boxes to open tonight. These all ended in the last 4 days. We've got 4 mini helmets you can see here. I've got the 3 jerseys off to the side here. I think I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to do helmet, jersey, helmet, jersey, helmet, jersey, helmet. Run through these as quickly as possible, get everybody back to their Sunday night football. First off is going to be a 2015 Leaf mini helmet. This is break number 7. And you see I've already numbered the boxes here, 7, 8. Anybody confused about that? The auctions you bid on have a number at the very end. It says number 6, number 7, number 8, etc. That's just that number of item. So these are the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th mini helmets I've broken ever. So when I pull my sheets, I always put those same numbers so no one's confused. Got the date the auctions end, break number, all that. That way it makes it easy for me to keep track when I'm shipping stuff out, see who won, especially when I've got 3, 4, 5 auctions of the same product going at once. So, and as some of you got an email from me earlier, super excited. Later this week, full-size helmets come out, so we should see those in hand either late this week or early next week, and we'll get those auctions up and start busting some full-size autographed helmets with these guys. So we'll get started. Mini helmet number 7 ended on the 18th. Got our winner sheet here. Got Argos coming back again, playing the numbers game there. Bought a lot of these guys. RDKOH, another return buyer. Got Lone Star PO8. And there we go. E. Jameson. NBA Slam Dunk 15. Radbot. LBEC 6480. Let's go ahead and get it going. First helmet of the night. Had nothing but good luck with these. Lots of Hall of Famers, some great young stars: DeMarco Murray, Sammy Watkins. We had Bruce Matthews. Let's see what we got. All right. It is going to be for the San Diego Chargers. So, congratulations, Radbot. 395 on that one. Let's see what we got. Hey, we opened up the jersey of this guy last week. Got a Kellen Winslow autographed Chargers helmet. Fantastic hit. Nice clean blue on the white. Very cool Chargers helmet. Nice clean signature. Congratulations on that one. Very, very cool looking helmet. And isn't that crazy how the numbers work out? Have a guy about one auction, hits a grand slam, gets a Kellen Winslow autographed helmet. Never know. Never know what's going to happen on these. Congratulations again. Let me box this bad boy up. And I'll get these shipped out in the next 2 days. It's a holiday week, so we'll get them out early. So hopefully we can get them to you by the weekend. Next up, let's bust a jersey here. And I pre-numbered this guy, jersey number 3. Get our sales sheet here. This one ended on the 21st. For those of you who think I'm just bad at math, when I'll have numbers ending earlier than higher numbers ending earlier than lower numbers, that's just me deciding, hey, let's go ahead and bust another box and making those auctions 5 days instead of 7, something like that. Here's our winners. These ended the 21st. Break number 3 on the jerseys. As I mentioned, we got that Kellen Winslow last week. Argos 1987. Back again. Pete Maker. Got Lone Star PO8 again. Unbeatable Prices 818. I know you've hit before. Got Pack is Back 86. Rod Dimpich. Chet Fisher. And of course, Argos playing that numbers game. Let's see if you hit on this one. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got. All right. Yep. Label torn there, so I don't have to cut it. We've got a Jack Ham Steeler Nation Steelers jersey. Great hit, nice clean autograph. Wrote Steelers Nation on there. Of course, we've got the black and yellow. As a Bengals fan, I'm not that excited about it, but congratulations to the Steelers fan. Let's see who won that guy. Pittsburgh Steelers. Argos. Numbers game works. Congratulations. Great Jack Ham jersey headed your way. Very great looking jersey. And it looks like we've got a bunch of inscriptions on it too. Jack Ralph Ham Jr., 4-time Super Bowl champ, 8-time Pro Bowler. I'm not going to open this guy up, get my fingers on it, leave it nice and sealed for you. Just wanted to show off that. Congratulations again, Argos. Let's get back in the mini helmet game, number 8 here. This one ended on the 19th. Argos again, numbers game. Got Schnee 6717. True 99 cents back in the game. Bunch more Argos. True 99 cents making an appearance at the bottom of the list. Fixers Felons also in on this one. All right, let's see what we got. Got a Cowboys. I'd like to sneak peek, see what we got before we get it open. Argos numbers game wins again. Congratulations. See what we got. Is that a Tony Romo? Did we just hit a Tony Romo helmet here? We did. Hell of a hit. Congratulations on that. Tony Romo just came back. Nice crisp blue on the silver. Very good looking autograph. All right. Very cool helmet. All right, let's get this guy put away. Get that one out to you with your jersey. Congratulations on that. 2 hits, 1 week. Can't beat that. And let's knock out another jersey. Box number 4 here. These jersey boxes make me feel like I need a bigger desk to do these breaks on. Got a peek. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Got 2 Steelers in a row. Let's pull our sheet here. This is number 4. I think I might have forgot this before we busted it open. Number 4. This is on the 20th. Argos. Again with the numbers game. Sean Montagna. Unbeatable prices. 818. Get some better focus here. Maybe. Argos Marines 3534. Brian 197677. CMB 2013 HR. And the Steelers is Brian 197677. And make sure what I saw was correct. And we've got 11-time Pro Bowl inscription. Hall of Fame 09. Woodson, Steelers legend. Obviously Hall of Famer. Great hit. Crazy to see 2 Steelers helmets in a row. Very cool jersey. Very cool inscriptions with the Pro Bowl and the Hall of Fame inscription. Nice crystal clean black autograph on the jersey. Congrats on that one. And again, that was Brian, 1976-77. Nice win. All right, back into the helmets. Knockout number 9. Get our sales sheet here, so I don't forget. These ended on the 20th, I believe. Got Argos again, knocking out the numbers game. True 99 cents. Getting in there. Brian, 1976-77, in it again. Torres Power in there. Sean Montagna. Aaron Bobran, 24. Rounding out the bottom with Argos again. Good luck, everybody. Helmet number 9. Helmet number 9. See what we get. Great hits so far. All right, just a second here. Get this bad boy open. I get to peek. This is a Raiders helmet. First Raiders product I've pulled in a long time. So we've got Argos. Numbers game wins you again. Congratulations. Let's see what we get. Ah, very cool. Recent Hall of Famer, Ray Guy. Very nice, crisp, clean black on the nice shiny silver. Ray Guy, number 8. Hall of Fame, just a year ago. Great looking helmet. Never be mad about a Hall of Fame autograph coming your way. Very cool. Congratulations again. Get that one headed out to you. And I don't know if everybody's excited about these full-size helmets as I am. Cannot wait to get those bad boys in. See what we can pull from those. So definitely keep an eye out. Hit up the YouTube channel, even if you're watching live. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos we post in case you miss the auctions. Obviously, hit us up on eBay, follow the auctions, so as soon as we get those posted, you can get in on your favorite teams. Jersey number 5 here. And then after this, we got one more helmet to knock out. Get the sales sheet for the jersey here. These ended yesterday. Right. Jersey number 5. Argos in again. Hebe Green 16. Pete Maker in again. Lone Star P08. Jim JRR. Vike Fanatic. Chet Fisher. True 99 cents in it again. Argos. Got the numbers game going for him one more time. Let's see what we got. I'll get first peek. This is another Steelers jersey. No joke. 3 straight Steelers jerseys. eBay link, just look for us, Autographs HQ. It may be ebay.com/user/autographs HQ. Let me see if I can grab that real quick for you. Save you some time looking for me. There we go. There's quick links to our items for sale. Nothing in there right now because everything ended last night. Sunday night, Monday night is usually when we get the fresh auctions up. So we'll have some more jerseys, some more mini helmets, and I'll toss up the auctions for those full-size helmets. So go ahead and follow us on there so that way you'll get an alert, get it in your feed when we get those posted up so you don't miss out. But let's go ahead and show this super bad jersey. Congratulations. If you're a Steelers fan, you're loving this break. Argos, another jackpot win. This one's super exciting. The Bumblebee uniform. Antonio Brown. Signed in gold on the 8. Great hit. Huge jersey. That is badass. Got your JSA authentication in there. The Antonio Brown Bumblebee signed with the gold Paint pen or Sharpie? Probably Sharpie looking at it. Nice looking autograph. Great looking jersey. Absolutely great looking jersey. 3 for 3 on Steelers jerseys. That's got to be astronomical odds on that. I don't know what 1 in 32 times 3 is, but yeah, great hits. Antonio Brown, always a monster. Great jersey. And the Bumblebee jersey, obviously very cool looking. Congrats, Argos, on that. I'll get these bad boys out to you as soon as possible this week. Last helmet break also ended yesterday. Helmet number 10. Got Argos in there. Killing that numbers game. Got Hebe Green or Heb Green. I'm not sure which way he's going with that. I'm going to go with Hebe Green, 16. Argos, Lone Star P08. Rod Dimpich. True 99 cents again. Welcome back. Argos 1987, filling up some more slots. C. Pierce 721. True 99 cents. Some of you guys got to get in here and give Argos a run for his money. Start winning some of these auctions. Let's see what we got. One more helmet. I get to peek. Another Cowboys helmet. So we already hit a Tony Romo. We had 3 straight Steelers jerseys. So another double up. Cowboys, obviously huge fan base out there. Let's see who's the winner on this guy. Don't disconnect your feed yet. I got one more thing for everybody. Lone Star P08. Congratulations. Got the 1 spot out of 32 and got the hit. Crazy odds. Congratulations on that. What is that? 2%, 2.5%, 3% odds on getting that hit. We've opened one of these guys before. Got a Randy White, Hall of Famer. I think the last one was signed in blue. This one's signed in black. Nice crisp signature on top there. Hall of Fame 94. Nice silver sparkle. Great looking helmet. Congratulations on that. Obviously great hits today. A bunch of Hall of Famers. And the 2 non-Hall of Famers, Tony Romo and Antonio Brown. Great hits. Can't be anything but happy about that. So one more thing. These were all awesome hits. And because they were such awesome hits, let's bust open one more box. So we got a bonus box. I'm going to open this guy up. It's another mini helmet. And I'll go off of the 4 people, whatever team it is, that won. So if it's the Bengals per se, we'll round up the 4 people that won the Bengals auctions and go with majority on that. So whoever won the majority of them, or if it's 4 individual people, we'll just random that real quick. So bonus box, free for somebody. Let's see what we get. Obviously, I don't think you guys are watching any other box breaks giving away free autograph helmets. So please follow us, follow the auctions, follow the YouTube videos. We're also working on maybe doing the breaks at a different site, see if we can get nice crystal clear HD stream to you. But until then, we'll keep rolling. Breakers TV's worked great for us. Got a New Orleans Saints. Let's see. New Orleans Saints on the first one, Argos. New Orleans Saints on the second one, True 99 cents. New Orleans Saints on the third one, Argos. New Orleans Saints on the fourth one, Argos. So majority on that one. Sorry, True 99 cents. That one's got to go to Argos, 3-1. I think we opened a jersey of this guy recently. I believe that's a Willie Roaf. Let me double check on that. Yep, Willie Roaf, Hall of Famer, obviously. Got the Hall of Fame 2012 inscription on there. Congratulations, Argos. Another helmet coming your way. I appreciate all you guys filling up all these auctions every week. Um, we may be able to sneak in the auctions for next week. If not, we're going to pull them all with the full size helmets. So hopefully we can bust some stuff this coming weekend. If not, we'll do it after the holidays because I know Thanksgiving, Black Friday, that whole weekend is going to be crazy for everybody, family in town, all that. So appreciate it again. Obviously, appreciate you guys tuning in, watching live, and watching on YouTube. And obviously, great break brought to you by Autographs HQ. So we will see you guys next time. And don't forget, follow the auctions, follow the YouTube. Thanks.